traders, how do you think we entered this trade and how did it hit our target before reversing up? And how do you think and what is the main reasons for scaling up a strategy? This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today in our live trading session video and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is True Naupan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are, traders. So what kind of a strategy is this? It's a new end of day strategy. Okay, this is what we call end of day strategy. We've been doing it. It's not actually new. I mean, it's new in terms of us doing this recording rather than the usual range runner strategy, which we do as an intraday strategy. Now, in this end of day strategy, for those of you not familiar with the term end of day, this is what we talk about in our Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course. It's totally for free. You can go and register for it. It's in the link below. End of day basically means you place the trades at the end of the day after the market closes, after like about 9 p.m., 10 p.m. And in terms of the currencies markets, it doesn't close at all. But when the bar closes, probably that's at 12 midnight on some brokers, or 1 a.m. or 10 p.m. on some brokers as well. So the point is, at the end of the day, you enter it, you put all your risk management in your targets, and you leave it to run, and you trade manage it accordingly. Okay.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Now, this simple strategy over here that we have done over here is what we call the cash in 4.0 80% open equity strategy. Now, what does that all mean? Let me explain so that then I can tell you what we actually did over here to make this profit. 80% open equity, the edge that we have in the markets over here at Master the Markets is that we know quantitatively the 80% distance that it will travel, 80% distance that it will travel upon entry, okay? Upon point of entry, we know that number. It's like saying if someone is starting to run a marathon from point A to point B, and it's 25 miles, that's about, just say it's 30 kilometers, right? And let's say if it's 30 kilometer distance, 100 runners start from here. Do I know the distance that 80% of them will definitely reach before fallout starts to begin, dropout starts to begin? Let's say we talk about 3 kilometers. If I say that 3 kilometers where 80% of them will reach, that means 80 runners will reach there for sure. That's my number. That's my distance that 80% of them will reach. After that, maybe you might get one fall off, maybe 79 after the 3 kilometer mark. Or maybe then more and more along the way, maybe at 15 kilometers, then you will get maybe only 50% of them being retained. So like that, do you know your distance upon point of entry? Okay. What is the 80% probability distance? What is the 80% probability distance that your trades will reach upon point of entry?
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
Okay, the first thing to do to quantify this is to quantify your tops and bottoms. This is what we've been telling in numerous different ways in conferences, seminars, over 20,000 people that we've coached and mentored. All these things is what we've been mentioning, okay, the first step. But we've shortcut the journey for you. We have quantified the tops and bottoms. Remember also that this is not a buy and sell indicator. This just quantifies the tops and bottoms. From there, You construct your own strategies. So based on that is what we are constructed here. This is what helps us trade a conviction. Is upon point of entry. Our point of entry is upon the close of this bar with the dot, which is your confirmation bar, which confirms this top according to our formulas that was taught to us by institutional quant traders. And once we got the point of entry, we know the 80% distance, the 80% distance that it will travel, okay? And that's where we put our target, and our stop loss is also measured up along with our trade management rules as well. So that is what, including all of this, is what cash in 4.0 80% open equity strategy is. It all starts off with you knowing what is the 80% distance that will travel upon point of entry. So we did this on silver over here because we got the numbers, right? Because we got all our indicators are programmed and everything. We can test it over 10 years, 15 years across any time frame and see if there's an edge, okay? So on this silver is what we are trading here. And you can see this small profit that we've got here on this very small different small account over here that we got. And the size that we traded is 0.04 contracts, okay, 0.04 contracts over here that you can see. Now, however, once you have the confidence, okay, which is the second part of this recording here, what I'm going to talk about is scaling up, okay, scaling up. Once you have the confidence in your strategy, you can then start to scale up this strategy, and you can start to put more size of contracts onto here as well, okay? How and when should you do it? I will talk about it in the next video that we will publish out in part 2.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.